Hey everybody, my name is Dancy Bearded, coming to you today from the Volt Lifeproof Grooming's YouTube channel, Instagram, any other socials. If you guys could, do all the socials things like follow, hit the thumbs up, all that stuff that's free that really supports them. You get to check out some other great content creators with a great company. All right, let's get into it before I get too excited here. I want to go over 3 elements, 3 factors, 3 things that can help speed up your beard growth. Now, to start, I understand beard growth is a hot topic issue. I understand when you put beard growth on the internet, you're gonna have a whole bunch of people commenting me and like, it's all genetics. Listen, there are things we can do to help our beard grow faster. There are things we can do to reach our genetic potential, which most of us never do, but we can take the steps necessary to get as high up as we can go. These are not even controversial. These are tried and true ways to be able to get your beard to grow faster. And those 3 ways are going to be exfoliate, wash, and use a quality beard oil. Let's get into them. The first one is exfoliating. Using a brush or a comb, right? Volt Lifeproof Grooming offers both of these. And essentially, you're gonna be raking or brushing the surface of your skin. Now, what that does is a bunch of things to help encourage beard growth. One is it's gonna promote blood flow. Blood flow is the highway of nutrients to your beard hairs to give them everything they need, from hydration to all the vitamins and nutrients for them to grow, right? You have to have strong soil to have strong crops. That exfoliation is key to get those nutrients going. But it also is going to break up anything that is clogging pores or coating the follicle and slowing down growth. Not only are you promoting growth, you're preventing slowing growth. That's amazing. Simply get to your cheeks with a brush, do a little brush in there. If you have a comb, one thing to be aware of, if you push too far in at the jaw, you're gonna start to get some pretty wicked dips and dents. Most people want to avoid that, so just be conscious of it, but it can do a really good job. Step 1, exfoliating the skin. Step 2, and this is in order, you should exfoliate before you wash your beard. In the shower, I personally recommend washing daily. Same kind of thing. You just aggravated the surface. You broke out the salt. You broke out the pollutants, the things that are in your pores. Now we gotta get rid of them. Rinsing is not good enough. Get in there with a beard wash that's designed for the atmosphere of your beard and the skin underneath it. Ooh, man, number 1, it's satisfying. Feels great, especially after the shower. But number 2, you're gonna allow your beard to have the best growth possible. And how about something like the caffeine that's added to the beard wash at Volt? Check that out if you want to do a nice little read on beard growth, hair growth, and topical caffeine. There's something to that. Exfoliate, then wash. Finally, after the shower, you need to give the nutrients to your beard from the outside, and that's with beard oil. What that's gonna do is it's going to relax the skin, soothe the follicle, really nourish those hairs, and give it again an environment to grow. Remember, you guys, your beard hairs grow from the root, from the base, from the skin, from the follicle. It doesn't grow from the end. It doesn't grow from the middle. We really gotta focus on the skin, and if you do that, the growth will be faster. It will be stronger, and you can have the best beard possible. Let me know down below, guys, whether it's Instagram or YouTube. You got comments, you got questions. Volt is great at interacting with you guys, and I really like checking them out myself. So I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video today. Go check out their other videos. Go check out their other content creators. As always, you guys, have a great day.